Welcome again to my drone stories. Today we are exploring the famous building Villagio in the beautiful city of Accra. The Villagio comprises of three magnificent buildings denoted by their color. We have the red, the yellow and the green building. The yellow building was once the tallest building in Ghana. It held that position for a while, but now I think the new Bank of Ghana headquarters is the tallest building. So enough of the small history. Let's just explore with our drone. This video is solely for educational and explorational purposes. So this is situated at Spanner. I don't know if it has a different name, but we all call it Spanner. And it's really beautiful. So as you can see, this is the green tower, and all the buildings kind of have the same architectural design. That boxy thing with another side hanging up. I really like the way they've kept the greens. So there's another small green building here that we don't know what it's used. It looks like a parking space, or the outer shell of the building block looks like a cardboard, maybe a metallic, but it sure looks like some. If it's a metal, that would be too heavy. So I think it's some cardboard painted something. Maybe made with a different material. It's really beautiful, the architecture design. So I think it belongs to one Italian family, hence the name Villaggio. As you can see, this is the three building, and one is also being built on the other side. You will go there soon. So you see the yellow one is the tallest building, and then the red comes. The building is actually four. Wow. I'm now seeing it. There is one red building, the second tallest, and another red building besides it before the green one comes. And then that shortest green that we saw earlier. Wow. So that's like 5 building. And another one is being built. And I think this will be taller than the yellow building. Who knows? Now that the Bank of Ghana has the tallest, has the tallest building in Ghana, I think they will let this one pass, that so that they will have the title back. Wow, as you can see, that one is under construction. So yeah, it's being fitted with steel beams, and you can see the amount of labor development that has gone into this. Let's get close to the shaft so that you see what's. I think this is the central. I don't know the technical construction name, but yeah, this what will house the lift system, some internal stairs and all that. This is a magnificent mega structure. And these people, I'm sure these crane operators, if you are somebody who is afraid of height, you can't operate this. Imagine being in that small tight box and you are moving this heavy crane. Kudos to all the workers. Let's get close a little bit and explore the upper top floor of the building. Wow. So as you can see, the yellow building has this nice pool there with a small pool. This is really nice. So some few years back, standing on top of this building would literally mean you are standing on the tallest building in the whole of Ghana, but now it isn't so. So this one doesn't look like it has some central AC units. Maybe it's kind of hidden in a way. Let's go to the green building. So from here you can see how did they plant trees here? So that means they had this big vase or vase filled with sand and they planted these trees. Or the green building too has this pool on it with trees around it. How did they build these trees there? Uh, that's really thoughtful. Yeah, to have trees at that height to give the vibe like you are just on the you are just on sea level. The green building too has this design, so that's the lower side, and then let's get to the upper side and see. Okay, so it looks like the upper side is just the building support system. That's the central AC units, and wow, and the polytanks. Why are some of the polytanks not covered, by the way? So I think they should be covered. Anyway, that's wow. I really like the way they've kept the greens around that side. And anyway, if anyone knows the name for this location aside Spanner, they should let us know in the comments. If you're new here, leave a like and subscribe. We always do videos like this. Yeah. So that's Villagio for you. It's a really, really nice building.